I've had a tour of the Spain Pavilion as an ambassador for my partners, Real Galicia. I managed to get a bit of a tour, and yeah, I've enjoyed it. To be honest, I've been quite impressed with the whole setup, and yeah, to see everything that you can put together into a pavilion, and actually makes you feel proud, you know, as a fellow Spaniard, and yeah, very proud to see it. Probably my favorite part was actually the movie, the 8-minute movie. Actually transmitted a bit, just reminded me, you know, about my country, about all the cool places it has, and it transmitted good energy, just good vibes, and yeah, I miss it. I don't spend enough time in Spain because of the traveling, and I live in Italy, so it just makes me miss my country. I think Formula One tends to be a pioneer when it comes to hybrid technology, Formula One road car innovations. You know, I think we are at the pinnacle. I think all the inventions that we do in Formula One, they are always with the target to be first tried on track to then be applied on the road. And I think it's been proven already with so many different stuff that I'm pretty sure that whatever direction we will follow in Formula One, I'm sure will be the future also of the road.